Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token bond. Now, according to Tectonic community, they actually suggest that the top holders of Tectonic token can actually support this coin by burning 100 billion coins of Tectonic token on a daily basis till the next 3 months. If they can really do that, that is going to actually bring more impact on Tectonic token. Now, remember that the top 5 holders of Tectonic token actually holding over 83% of Tectonic token coins. Now, if I mention the top 10 holders, then they will be holding over 95 to 96% of Tectonic token supply. So imagine this top 10 now decide to, okay, let's burn Tectonic token, let's destroy some of their holding, even though they decide to burn 100 billion coins on a single day for the next 3 months. I think that will amount to Tectonic token destroying trillions of Tectonic token coin, which I know will not even really make a difference, because the Tectonic token have over 500 trillion coins and 110 trillion coins in circulation and 500 trillion coin supply, but at least that alone, they believe it will attract many more people on Tectonic token. It will create more impact on Tectonic token. It's going to be one of the biggest foundation for them to start the burning of Tectonic token, for other people to join. They believe, yes, these top holders are actually controlling the largest part of Tectonic token. Imagine the top 10 holding over 96% of Tectonic token coins. To me, I don't think 100 billion coin bond per day can really make a difference. We should be talking about 500 billion or 1 trillion coin per day. That, I believe, can really make a difference, because imagine Tectonic token burning 1 trillion coin per day. It simply means in the period of 1 month they'll be burning about 30 trillion. Now, within the period of the 3 months, they are actually suggesting for Tectonic token to hold up holders to burn some of their holding. It simply means Tectonic token will be burning about 90 trillion coins. Let's approximate it to 100 trillion coins. Then Tectonic token still have about 400 trillion coins, 400 trillion supply. So it's still much to me, but I believe, of course, it's a good one. It's, of course, that definitely is going to really bring more impact. It's going to be a positive news for Tectonic token. That also will also attract a lot of people to have more interest on Tectonic token. Yes, they should focus on the burning, and most importantly, they should also focus on getting Tectonic token to be known by a lot of crypto traders and investors. Not many people know about Tectonic token, so I believe if they can really work on this, definitely it's going to bring more impact in the future for Tectonic token. Whereas 100 billion coin per day, but to me, I would say 1 trillion coin per day burn is going to bring an impact, a better impact for Tectonic token future burning. Then you see other people might be joining this. In fact, you'll be surprised that when they decide to do this, that is going to really bring good impact for Tectonic token. But for now, they should create better projects for Tectonic token, the burning, listening, and also getting this coin to be known, to be popular in Africa, in Asia, in Europe, in America, all over the world, for people to really know that this coin, Tectonic token, definitely is going to become one of the biggest coins. Well, please remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.